Okay, Miss Glad, please answer this math equation habang nakabukas ang camera mo. Miss Glad, bakit ang labo ng camera mo? Parang kang nasa CCTV ng kapitbahay nyo. Sorry po, ma'am. Thank you, Emit Philippines, for sending me Emit webcam. Pagbukas mo ng box, syempre may warranty and quick guide siyang kasama. At syempre yung mismong webcam with built-in ring light, which is honestly nice. Also, adjustable na rin siya, depende kung gaano kadilim sa working area mo. May webcam cover na rin siya para hindi ka ma-anxious kung may nakakakita ba sa'yo. May kasama rin siyang USB-C to USB-A cable. Tapos, plug and play na. No need to download any drivers. Buksan mo lang, connect, at ready ka na mag-record. At ito ang pinakagusto ko sa webcam na to. Dahil meron lang naman siyang fast autofocus na kahit sobrang liit na detail, makikita at sobrang linaw ng chance na hindi maging kayo. Charis! At syempre, may 4 modes at warm to cool colors rin tong webcam na to. May white, warm, mix, or even blue color. Avatar yarn, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng webcam with 4K resolution with built-in ring light, swak na swak sa'yo itong Emit SmartCam S600L. Once again, thank you Emit Philippines for sending me this amazing webcam. Sana may next time pa to. Joke. Yun lang. Bye!